Welcome to Responsible AI, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about artificial intelligence. The right way to develop and use AI tools. In this video, we will explore what it means to design AI responsibly and provide you with a step-by-step guide on integrating ethical considerations into your AI design and development. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated and pervasive, it is crucial to ensure that they are designed and developed with ethical considerations in mind. Responsible AI design aims to mitigate potential risks and negative impacts while promoting beneficial outcomes for individuals, society, and the environment. By integrating ethical principles into the AI development lifecycle, we can create trustworthy, transparent, and accountable AI systems. By following these 6 step-by-step guide, AI professionals can integrate ethical considerations throughout the AI design and development processes. Step 1. Establish an ethical framework. Begin by defining an ethical framework that aligns with your organization's values, principles, and goals. This framework should serve as a guiding compass for all AI-related activities, ensuring that ethical considerations are at the forefront of decision-making processes. Engage stakeholders, including ethicists, domain experts, and representatives from diverse communities, to develop a comprehensive ethical framework. Identify and prioritize key ethical principles, such as fairness, transparency, privacy, accountability, and respect for human rights. Establish clear guidelines and policies that operationalize these ethical principles within the AI development lifecycle. Step 2. Conduct ethical risk assessment. Before embarking on an AI project, it is essential to conduct a thorough ethical risk assessment. This process involves identifying potential risks, evaluating their likelihood and impact, and developing mitigation strategies. Identify potential ethical risks associated with the AI system, such as bias, privacy violations, security vulnerabilities, or unintended consequences. Assess the likelihood and severity of each identified risk, considering factors such as the system's intended use, data sources, and deployment environment. Develop risk mitigation strategies, including technical solutions, policy changes, or additional safeguards, to address the identified risks. Step 3. Implement ethical practices in data management. Data is the lifeblood of AI systems, and responsible data management practices are crucial for ensuring ethical outcomes. Ensure data privacy and security by adhering to relevant regulations and best practices for data collection, storage, and processing. Promote data fairness by identifying and mitigating potential biases in data sources, collection methods, and pre-processing techniques. Maintain data transparency by documenting data provenance, processing steps, and any known limitations or biases. Implement data governance policies and procedures to ensure responsible data management throughout the AI system's lifecycle. Step 4. Embed ethical considerations in model development. During the model development phase, it is essential to integrate ethical considerations into the design, training, and evaluation processes. Incorporate ethical principles into the model architecture and training algorithms, such as fairness constraints, privacy-preserving techniques, or interpretability mechanisms. Conduct rigorous testing and evaluation to assess the model's performance, fairness, robustness, and potential for unintended consequences. Implement model monitoring and continuous evaluation processes to detect and mitigate any emerging ethical issues during deployment. Step 5. Foster transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are key pillars of responsible AI design. Implement practices that promote trust and enable oversight. Develop clear documentation and explanations for the AI system's decision-making processes, data sources, and potential limitations. Implement mechanisms for human oversight, intervention, and redress, allowing for human review and correction of AI-generated decisions or outputs. Establish governance structures and processes for ongoing monitoring, auditing, and reporting of the AI system's performance and ethical compliance. Step 6. Engage in continuous learning and improvement. Responsible AI design is an iterative process that requires continuous learning and improvement. Embrace a culture of ethical reflection and adaptation. Regularly review and update the ethical framework, policies, and practices based on emerging risks, societal concerns, or technological advancements. Encourage open dialogue and feedback loops with stakeholders, including end users, domain experts, and impacted communities. Invest in ongoing education and training for AI professionals, fostering a deep understanding of ethical considerations and best practices. By following these step-by-step guide, AI professionals can integrate ethical considerations throughout the AI design and development processes, promoting the creation of trustworthy, transparent, and accountable AI systems that benefit individuals, society, and the environment. If you liked this video, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and practical tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI tool developer, a business leader, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. Thank you for watching.